You told that, yeah, now I'm playing with Valiant. Let's see. 1200, I think I can. If I win, maybe I can be top 3. Where is the standing mine? I'm number 4 now, so I should win that. I should win that. And all lowest rated players in the top list. And there was a 2100 and Shondip was here, but nobody is in the 2100. Totally eliminated. Maybe two, but he did not play more. Maybe with time, not he has some business, but he is not. He should be the champion. But now 600 player double team. Maybe I am the only in fourth position as a top rated. Okay, I should play equal game because and don't waste time. Just equal play and normal play. I think I can win the game. So if I win, I think I can get a be the top second position. Maybe I don't know. Now it is I am fourth. Maybe if I win, I can get the second position. I don't know. I cannot get the champion because Aditya is 4 out of 4. I am 4. Okay, Aditya won all his games. Okay, he's playing also this game. Aditya. So yeah, so I always tell you that uh, stay away from my stream. You cannot be enjoying. You cannot get any enjoyment here. Your life can be bored. I'm not actually. I am the boring person. So what is my fault? I don't know. When you will stop your YouTube career? Please don't try to irritate me here because I'm playing a tournament with Ashu YouTubers tournament. I should not be distracted by you. Pawn, you want to give a pawn, win a pawn. You want to win a pawn. I want to give you the pawn. No problem. As you, I'm just starting it. I want to. I'm starting it. You are telling to stop it. Huh? Okay, he's trying to play weaken his king side. He will try exchange my bishop. Exchange my bishop. He can win a pawn in the center, but I can win his b pawn. Only b pawn, but he is really have a nice position here. I see. Again, another pawn is going to be. But where is my queen? Go. Okay, I can win another pawn. It is better win this pawn. And the knight is hanging. Yes, yes, yes. He did not see that. Oh no, it's a trap. Oh, it's a trap. If I capture, okay, let's attack. Let's attack here because I'm the bishop is the knight is hanging. Or if I can capture the bishop, capture here. Let's see. But there is like otherwise this is a trap. This is trap. I cannot capture. Oh, what a nice trap set. Still, like my knight is hanging now. Okay, if I capture the knight, what can happen? Check. He can capture. Okay, maybe it is the. Let's see. Let's try to capture this. then maybe my bishop can be protected. Or if he captures the knight, I will capture. Oh, he captures the knight. Now I have his attack, and I'm winning another pawn or the knight. Pawn or knight, pawn or knight. Okay. Oh, this bishop is also attacked. This bishop. I can win. Now I can win. Now I can win. Yes. Peace up now. Peace up. Peace up. And I should not lose this game. I should not lose the game. Maybe I am in the top 3 or second position. I don't know. Maybe if they lost all their games. Okay. Attack is getting. I can attack also. I can capture. I think exchange the rook is the best move. Exchange the rook. Exchange the rook. Or just attack the rook. Simple. Attack the rook, then queen will be attacked. The bishop, knight is hanging. So 1200 playing with me. I think I'm taking the chance here, as he's playing bad, tactically bad actually, tactically, and everything is hanging now. You can see I can attack his knight also. Knight and rook now both are attacking, and again another piece is going to be lost. And if he plays knight, now I have the bishop move now. Oh, he sacrificed his rook. Okay, I think it is simple. Simple, knight will protect. Okay, no problem. I can go here for a checkmate or not. Or here, I think it is the best move. I can win a pawn. No, I cannot win anything. I cannot win anything. I can exchange the rook. Actually, it is the best maybe for me. Best idea. Exchange the rook, then checkmate idea. Or okay, it is exchange. And now knight where can go, because it's a checkmate now. Checkmate into. No, it is surviving. It's surviving actually. It's surviving. Should be alert because he can stop trying to. No, he has no plan. I have extra rook. He cannot do anything here. When will you stop your YouTube career? Okay, when I will get 1 million subscriber, then that day I will stop it. Now I think it's just a game of just go and attack the queen. Maybe I can just go for checkmate. It's a checkmate, but pawn push, rook check. I think he's finished. After rook check, he's finished. Pawn push only can save one move. I should be the top 3 now. Nobody can, because I am steady there. I was steady because Sandeep was not steady. He was, and some strong guy was here. 2100 was here, but he was not steady. But won 2 game and left the. Okay, I think now just it's a only one check I can face, but this is a stronger. I think I can win pawn. Okay, it's not the best move also for me. Not the best move. Yes, 8 people watching me. Yes. At least you can hit the like button. Help me like this. If you are here, you can help me like this. Chat. Okay, same problem. Same problem. What can I play? What can I play? I can capture. Oh no. Oh, you cannot have. There is no check. Check also. At least you can help me survive my. That means help me my YouTube career, grow my YouTube career. Okay. Okay, attack, you attack. It is a best, maybe. Your knight has low square, then a check, and it's a checkmate in 2 now. It's checkmate in 2. Maybe it is best. It's rook check now. And rook checkmate.